Let's understand how can we append the files using folders in Power BI. This is a very powerful tool and it can append two or more tables which are containing the same headers and same data type. Whenever the folder is containing the files and the file gets deleted, edited or modified, all those additions, deletion or modifications are shown inside the Power BI. So let's go and see the same thing in live action. So we come to Power BI and we go to our new source. Inside our new source there is a more option. We click on that. Inside the more option there is a folder option. We click on that. After that this is getting loaded. Once we go on browse and inside the documents, inside we can say our data is inside the Power BI and the Power BI course and raw data for Power BI model and the sales data. So this folder is containing the sales data for 3 years, which is 22, 23 and 24. We press OK. After that we press OK and this data will be loaded here. So let's wait for its loading. Now once it's loaded, you can see there are three kind of content showing as binary, or because these three files are containing the details of 22, 23 and 24. There are two options, combine and transform data. So right now we will transform data and based upon that we will combine them data. This is getting transformed. On the left side you can see when it's transforming, a query is being created and this is a technical query which Power BI create for the future appending, and we are not concerned about that. So let's make it smaller, and this data of appended query has been created here because you can see the data has been combined together. Even if you go here and there are different parameters or things returned such as the sales data. Inside the sales data you can see there is, I can say, a drop down kind of menu which mentions combine files. So if we click on that combine files, it will combine all the three files. So it's getting loaded and let's wait for it. Now you can see that all the three files are here, 22, 23 and 24, and these got combined. So we press OK and let's wait for them to get combined. Yes, now those files have been combined. Inside the data you can see that the initial details is showing the source name, which is the name of the file. So there are three files as we are aware, which is 2022, 23 and 24. So if we load further you can see them. Also all the data inside those three files has been shown here. As you can see, the quantity, territory key, customer key, product key and so on. And right now we don't need to show this query, so I just hide it, and the summary of that table has been shown in the sales data similar to what it was showing above. So we don't need the source name at this moment, so we do a right click and remove the file name. Now all the 3 year sales data is being shown here, which we will be using for our analysis, and also the older data for the sales of 2020, I can say 223, and which we combined using the append query is not relevant for us at the moment. So let's delete them, which are our older data which we don't need. So I press delete and this got deleted. This is again getting deleted. Next one we delete it, and finally the last one we are deleting that, so it's got deleted here. Also, if I show you what was the data inside the sales folder, so this is the data which was sales data 22, 23 and 24. If we add another sales data for 25 with the same column headers and same data type, and press a refresh here, after pressing the refresh all the data of 25 would be shown here. I hope you understood this, and this must be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.